financial risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and mitigating risks that can impact an organization's financial health. These risks include market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, and operational risk. Effective risk management is crucial for maintaining financial stability, protecting assets, and ensuring long-term success. Identifying financial risks involves recognizing the various types of risks that can affect an organization. Market risk arises from changes in market prices, credit risk from counterparty defaults, liquidity risk from the inability to meet short-term obligations, and operational risk from failed internal processes or external events. Analyzing financial risks involves both quantitative and qualitative methods. Quantitative analysis uses statistical and mathematical models to measure risk, such as value at risk, VAR, and stress testing. Qualitative analysis relies on expert judgment, scenario analysis, and risk assessments. Tools and techniques include risk matrices, Monte Carlo simulations, and sensitivity analysis. Managing market risk involves hedging with derivatives such as futures, options, and swaps to offset potential losses. Diversification reduces exposure by spreading investments across various assets. Value at risk, VOR, is a statistical measure that estimates the maximum potential loss over a specified period with a certain confidence level. Managing credit risk involves credit analysis to assess the creditworthiness of counterparties using financial ratios, credit ratings, and historical data. Credit derivatives, such as credit default swaps, CDS, transfer credit risk to another party. Setting credit limits helps control the amount of credit exposure to any single counterparty. Managing liquidity risk involves maintaining liquidity reserves in the form of cash or liquid assets to meet short-term obligations, using asset liability management to match the maturities of assets and liabilities, and conducting stress testing to simulate extreme market conditions and evaluate the impact on liquidity. Managing operational risk involves identifying potential risks through audits and risk assessments, implementing internal controls such as policies and procedures to mitigate risks, and transferring risk through insurance policies. These strategies help reduce the likelihood and impact of operational disruptions. Risk management strategies involve identifying market, credit, liquidity, and operational risks, analyzing these risks using quantitative and qualitative methods, and managing them through hedging, diversification, credit analysis, liquidity management, and internal controls. Practical implementation requires applying appropriate tools and techniques to manage financial risks effectively.